In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can turn your Google Docs into dark mode here on your computer. Before we get in this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But begin by opening up Google Chrome or really whatever platform you're on and go into Google Docs. You may notice that there's no built-in dark mode for desktop yet. So in a new tab, go ahead and open it up, and what you're going to want to do is type in Google Docs Dark Mode Extension and hit enter. The first page is going to be a Chrome Web Store page. Select that and then hit add to Chrome and then hit add extension. Next, if you look up in the top right corner of your browser, you're going to see a section that looks like this. I'm going to go into this Google Docs section to do this. Go ahead and select on that just like so, and you're going to see this Google Docs Dark Mode section. Open this up. As soon as you install it, go back to your Google Docs and refresh it, and it's automatically going to be loaded into dark mode, and you'll notice this little moon icon right here. From here, you can actually go through and change some of the settings to make it different, as well as switch it from dark mode to light mode, just like so. It really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.